First of all, these all should be unbiased. अनबायस्ड कॉइन, वो सोले वाला कॉइन नहीं, एक तरफ हेड एंड दूसरी तरफ टेल. बेसिक सिंपल शॉर्ट नियम ऑफ सॉल्विंग कॉइन्स केसेस. सपोज n coins are tossed or a coin is tossed n times. दोनों ही केस में total number of cases would be same. Either I am tossing n coins at a time or a coin is tossed n times. क्या होंगे वो cases? 2 to the power n. Then probability of getting heads equals to x or probability of getting tails equals to n minus x. Both means the same. अगर 3 कॉइन टॉस किए गए हैं और मैंने कहा कि 2 हेड आएंगे तो ऑब्वियसली कितने टेल आएंगे? 3 minus 2 equals to 1. दोनों के लिए एक समान है. यहाँ पर अपने हेड की जगह पर टेल भी पूछ सकते हैं, यहाँ टेल की जगह पर देन हेड कैन बी आस्क्ड. So probability of getting x number of heads, obviously x should be less than or equals to n. X should be less than or equals to n is the number of coins or number of trials. The values of x will range from 0 to n. Then probability of x head or n minus x tails is simply given by n c x divided by 2 to the power n. That's it. We have generated this formula using binomial distribution that we know. बराबर. अब कोई भी कॉइन का केस आएगा, we would be doing with this formula itself. Let's take a few cases. Okay, hopefully you all must have tried. Let's see, एकदम basic questions हैं. Probability that number of heads are greater than or equals to tail. 6 coins हैं, तो number of heads can be equals to 3, then tail is 3. If number of heads are 4, then tails are equals to 2. अगर number of heads 5 हो जाएं तो tail 1 रहेगा. Number of heads 6 हो तो tail 0 आएगा. That means I need all these 4 cases. Fine, simple. Now again the same process. What is that? Probability is given by ncx divided by 2 to the power n. N is 6 in this case and x is 3, 4, 5 or 6. So 63 plus 64 plus 65 plus 66 all divided by 2 to the power 6. That's it. 63 is 20, 64 is 15, 65 is 6 and 66 is 1. So 35, 36, 42. The answer should be 42 divided by 2 to the power 6. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 64. Cancel 21 by 32. Done. At least 5 heads. At least 5 heads means heads are 5 or more than 5. 65 plus 66 divided by 2 to the power 6. 65 is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 64. At most 2 head. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे पास 2 head मिल सकते हैं. That means head count is less than equals to 2. That means it can be 0, 1 or 2. Since it is or, we need to add up. 60 plus 61 plus 62 by 2 to the power 6. 601 plus 6 and 15. 22 by 64. 11 by 32. A and B are playing with a coin by tossing it one after another in tandem, and they will keep on doing so until one of them gets an heads and he wins the game. One who gets heads first wins the game. If A starts this game, what is the probability that A will win? Think and try. ध्यान से देखें तो यहाँ पर साइंस क्या है? साइंस यहाँ ये नहीं है कि A स्टार्ट्स और वो पहली बार में ही जीत जाएगा, ये जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन वो फर्स्ट थ्रो में जीत सकता है. We are here to find the probability that A will win. A can win in the first throw. Win. But हो सकता है कि A ने फर्स्ट जब टॉस किया तब हेड नहीं आया. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? He will lose. And then if we want A to win, then the second partner, that is B, should also lose. B को भी हेड नहीं मिलना चाहिए. फिर A win करेगा. So this can also be the case where A will win. Next case क्या हो सकता है? A losing, then B losing, then A getting head and losing, A getting tail and losing, B getting tails and losing, and then A winning. So we can see that we can end up getting an infinite series where A can win in different forms. और यहाँ पर probability of anyone winning in any throw is half, and not winning, that is losing, is also half. Losing is also half. So this will be what? Half plus 1, 2, 3. Half to the power 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half to the power 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 हो जाएगा. Half to the power 7 plus till infinity. अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो this is an infinite GP series where first term is half and common ratio is 1 by 2 cube divided by 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. And we know that summation to infinite GP series is A upon 1 minus R. We know that mod R is less than 1. Then this will be A is half upon 1 minus 1 by 4. This is half into 4 by 4 minus 1 is 3. 2. 2 by 3. 2/3 are the chances that A will win. Fine. और अगर फिर ये पूछे कि what are the chances that B will win if A start, it is simply 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Hopefully this is clear. Very easy format. We can design an infinite GP series and very easily we can find the answer. So now we have a biased coin. Biased coin is such that probability of head is twice the probability of getting tail. Total probability of getting head and probability of getting tail when a coin is tossed is always 1. इसी को बोलते हैं exhaustive event. Total of the probability of all the outcomes which we can have should be equals to 1. अब यहाँ बोला probability of head is twice the probability of getting a tail. Suppose probability of getting a tail is P, then probability of getting a head is 2P. Now 2P plus P is 1. In this case, P equals to 1 by 3. That means probability of getting a head is 2 by 3 and probability of getting a tail is 1 by 3. If head and tail probability is not same, that means if it is a biased coin, हमने जो फॉर्मूला जो सेट किया था, ठीक, वो अब दूसरे हिसाब से सेट करना पड़ेगा. Again I will be using binomial theorem, binomial distribution itself. यहाँ पर probability that x will take a small value x is given by ncx p to the power x q to the power n minus x, where p plus q is equals to 1. N equals number of trials, independent trials. Fine. P equals probability of success of x, capital X. What is my capital X? Capital X is an outcome. It can be either getting a head or getting a tail. इसको एक एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. Good. Suppose it is given that a coin is such that probability of getting head is twice the probability of getting tail, and that particular coin is tossed 4 times. That particular coin is tossed 4 times. फिर आपसे पूछा what is the probability of getting 3 heads? What is the probability of getting 3 heads? Here we know P is equals to 2 by 3, Q is equals to 1 by 3. P का मतलब हुआ probability of getting one head, probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed. And how many times coin is tossed? 4 times. अब इस particular format को हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Probability of getting x equals to 3, where x is number of heads, equals 4c3 2 by 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 to the power 1, and now we'll solve this. Binomial distribution for discrete probability random variable. 4c3 is 4 into 2 cube, 2 4 8 by 27 into 1 by 3. So this would be 32 by 81. 32 by 81. तो जब भी हमें biased coin मिलेगा, make sure that you are calculating P and Q properly. P related to the probability of success. Heads के बारे में भी पूछ सकता है, tails के बारे में भी पूछ सकता है. अगर अभी इसी सम में यही particular question में आपसे पूछा जाता, find the probability of getting 2 tails. Then in this case, I would have taken P equals to 1 by 3 because my probability is concerned with tails. Q equals to 2 by 3, and then it would have been 4c2 into 1 by 3 to the power 2 into 2 by 3 to the power 4 minus 2 is 2. 4c2 is 6 into 1 by 9 into 4 by 9. 24 by 81. So this was all about biased coin. So we have unbiased coins, biased coins, and tossing of coin in tandem.